An overlooked species, the importance of British moths. Moths have been roaming the earth for almost 300 million years longer than humans. They belong to the Lepidoptera family, which also includes butterflies. In the UK, we have 59 species of butterfly, in comparison to 2,500 species of moth. The garden tiger moth has experienced a long-term decline, alongside moth abundance, which has decreased by 31%. In a 40-year study, 61 species of larger moth saw a 75% decline in abundance. Moths provide a variety of ecosystem services. They pollinate species such as ivy, which is an important food source and provides cover for small mammals. They are a tasty snack for both birds and bats, and in fact, blue-tit chicks alone need 35 billion moth caterpillars a year to stay fed. Moths are an essential part of our ecosystem, and when they are threatened, so are other species. In order to deter predators and overcome the chemical defences of the plants they eat, moths have developed a plethora of chemicals which could be used in the future to develop new medicines. They are also a good indicator of climatic changes. Despite this, since 1914, there have been 56 moth extinctions in Britain alone, and their distribution has drastically changed. One reason for this is habitat change. We have lost 97% of British wildflower meadows since the 1930s, and many insect species are declining as a result of this. Pesticides are particularly detrimental to insects. In a study conducted earlier this year, pesticides were found incorporated into the living tissues of moths. Light pollution from artificial lighting at night has also been linked to changes in British moth abundance. Climate breakdown is affecting all aspects of life and is changing the distribution of British moths, forcing many northwards. But what can you do to help save our moths? Raising awareness about the importance of these organisms will encourage others to get involved in saving them. Turning your garden into a Lepidoptera haven, growing native hedgerows and host plants, and avoiding things like blue artificial nightlight and artificial grass will provide food and a home. Supporting campaigns and signing petitions involving moth and butterfly conservation shows governments that there is public support for these initiatives. You can donate or volunteer with conservation charities, whose small-scale conservation efforts have proven successful in the past. You could even get involved in recording some species yourself. Moths are not only an undervalued species, but an essential one.